Hello everybody, welcome to Malchamps. Today I'm going to be doing Dreambox, and today we're going to be doing fractions on Dreambox, time fractions. So let's get into it. So let's read the question. Use clocks to build 4/3 of an hour. So we know that 1/3 of an hour equals, so 1/3 equals 20 minutes, 20 minutes. So what we do is we do 20 minutes 4 times, and we know that 20 times 40 equals 20 times 4 equals 80. So in the end, we will get the sum of 80. So let's do the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, there is 80 minutes in this box all together. So we know for sure that the answer is going to be 40 in the end. So let's push yes and move on. Type the missing value in the equation. So blank minutes over 60 minutes, and it would be 80 minutes over 60 minutes. So now we're moving on to the next question. Use clocks to build 7/4 of an hour. Use clocks to build 7/4 of an hour. So what we are going to do is we know that 1/4 of an hour equals 15 minutes. So let's do the problem. So 7 times 15. We can solve it on here, but we're just going to do the problem right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can either add all these up, or we can do the multiplication problem. There's really many ways we can figure this out, but I'm just going to do the multiplication problem, which is 15 times 7. So let's do 15 times 7. And really a way you can break this up that's really more simpler is 7 times 10, which is 70, plus 7 times 5, which equals 35. And what you want to do is add those up, which would get 105. So our answer is 105. So let's move on. And like I said before, we know that the answer is 105 minutes over 60 minutes. So let's go on to the next question. So we have a few more questions to go. So use clocks to build 6/6 of an hour. 6/6 of an hour. So what we are going to do is so we know that 1/6 of an hour equals 10 minutes. So we are going to do the equation. So 10 times 6 equals 60, which equals 1 hour. So we're just going to do that. And like I said again, and all these fractions are like, so we know that 12 5 minutes is also equivalent to 60 minutes and equivalent to 10 times 6. So in the end, again, these all are equivalent fractions. So let's hit the next button, and like I said, the answer is 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. And use clocks to build 20 twelfths of an hour. So we know that 1/12 of an hour, 1/12 of an hour equals 5 minutes. So 5 times 20 equals 100, so that would help us in the end, or help us right now, so we know what to get and what the answer is. So let's do 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. So we have 20. We have 20. So we have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 5, 4/5, blah 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 blah, all the way to the end to 20. 25s, which equals again 100. So this all equals 100. So let's move on, and let's move on. And like we said again, it equals all in all, it equals 100 minutes over 60 minutes. Now we're going to do a few more problems, so let's get into it. So we know that 1/4 equals 15 minutes. So 15 times 6, we'll do the problem later after. But first we're going to do the problem. So 15 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just trash that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So we know the answers. Let's solve the problem. So actually, we know that actually, we know that equals 90. So we're going to move on. And we know the answer is 90. So we're moving on. Okay. So guys, that's all we're going to do today. Sorry we didn't get to finish it, but hope you guys tune in on our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please remember to hit the notification, subscribe, and see you on our next video.